More or less 10 years ago I had my first idea of wanting to start a hotel in a foreign country. At that moment it was only a dream, not a reality. And at the end, when I was celebrating a holiday, I decided at that moment that I wanted to make the dream come true. And it had to be true within 5 years. When I saw the center of Portugal, I already knew very quickly that I wanted to buy somewhere in this region because it's very authentic, the nature and also the culture from the cities of Coimbra and Viseu. When I came here, within 2 minutes I knew this is the house and place where I want to create my own hotel. I created my own concept, so it has to be minimum a 4-star holiday with luxury and comfortable rooms, big rooms. And also with a gourmet restaurant inside, so that people don't have the need or the urgency to go away.